In our previous video, we saw what you can do when your Cash App account is blocked and gave some of the few reasons why Cash App could have blocked your account. Well, today, we won't talk much again, but we'll just target our next topic, which is what you should do and what you should not do so that Cash App should not block your account. We will see you in a bit. Well, you can go to our previous video and see how to unblock your Cash App account easily. But now, let's see how to prevent Cash App from blocking your account. They are: first of all, avoid frequent log-in into multiple devices. Secondly, avoid entering the wrong password or username numerous times during login. Also avoid fraudulent activities in your Cash App account since Cash App is very serious with security. When in Cash App, you should be using a private and secured internet connection, not a public Wi-Fi. Also update your app frequently and use the latest versions of the application. Clear all cache and cookie files from your device and do not fail any of the user terms of service. Finally, make sure that you don't use any fake SNN or any other personal details as it will be substantiated during verification. Well, that's it, but keep connected by subscribing, because our next are how you can recover your Cash App account.